All right. Hello. Hey, I'm Jeffrey, and today I'll be showing you how to safely remove and install your RAM. Let me just unplug this. Let it just hang over here. We got a clear space around the RAM. You know what? Let me just unplug the whole hard drive itself. I made a video about how to. Made a video about how to do that. All right. Now you have your computer, right? And okay, hold on. Let me just zoom in a little bit. Zoom. Let me just zoom in a little bit more. Alright, I'm sorry for the blurry image, but it's the best we can do here, so stay with me. Now, every computer has a RAM. Every single computer, laptop, everything. Everyone has a RAM. And what a RAM is pretty much memory. And there's a ROM and a RAM. I don't believe I have a ROM. I don't think every computer has a ROM, but I know every computer has a RAM. And the RAM, this is a DD or I think 2 or 3. I watched the video. I think it's 2. Yeah, but you're gonna have, it's gonna be pretty close to your hard drive. I took out the hard drive casing over here. It used to be right here. I took it out, and it should be around there, or I don't know if yours is hidden, but mine is around here. And how you're gonna remove it is put both hands at the edge where these white things are. I don't know how to say what they are, but you just push them down, and your RAM pops out. It's the primary memory. Ow. Okay. This is what your RAM should look like. Right here. Right here. This is what a RAM should look like. Ooh. Alright. Now, that's pretty much how you take it out. And, oh yeah, most people have to take out their casing and everything, but that's going to take a while. And so, I already have it out, open. Just look in there, find it, and you're Gucci. And now, to put it back, you gotta line up. There should be a little line right here by the middle, around the middle, not too much in the middle, but around the middle. And it should line up with your RAM. See, in every RAM, it has a little sort of arch in the middle right there. If you can see it. Oh, you should be. And then my computer, the RAM is right there with the chips faced up. The chips are facing up right now, not down. The chips are facing up. Just push it in, and you have to have equal force on both sides. You gotta make sure you have equal force on both sides, and push it down with good force. You have to push a little hard, but it'll snap together when it's successfully put in. And that's how you properly put it in. It should snap. And now, properly put in. Can't really take it out. It's sturdy. Yep. And that's how you install your RAM. Now, I was gonna do something, about, screen sharing or whatever, but I decided, I don't know really how to do that yet, so I'll just wait till you know, get that done. Maybe I might do it in the next video. But until now, for whoever's watching, which is probably like 5 people, y'all lames. Until next time, which is probably a couple of minutes. Alright, YouTube.